This is hefty right here. I like this. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some catless downpipes, baby. Look, you can see right through that thing. Ooh. Ooh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a box. We got scissors. Let's open this up. This is an unboxing. This right here is from the private label MFG. Let me show you what's actually inside of it after I figure out how to actually open this box up. We'll go from one of these sides. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes, yes, I'm gonna put this on my car. Put this on my front bumper and my rear bumper because people seem to like to hit me in my car, so I'm gonna make sure it's nice and safe. All right, first things first, we pop this off. Oh, look what this is inside of here. Oh yeah, this is hefty. This is hefty right here. I like this. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some catless downpipes, baby. Look, you can see right through that thing. Ooh. 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 Oh yeah, that's real nice. That's real nice. All right, so, oh yeah, it comes with screws in here too. Oh, okay, yeah, plug up the OT ports, whatever. Already got one up the top here. Cool. I guess I'll put these in. Forget it. Guess I will put these in. But I'm excited. I'm really excited about this. Now I can finally run stage 2 plus. All right, next. What else? What else? What else? Yes, there is more. This was not it. Oh, okay. Like I said, this going on my bumper. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Becky, look at her butt. Oh my God, why is this so heavy? Jesus Christ. All right, this is my 7-inch intercooler. We're gonna slide this box out the way for a second. There's some other stuff in here too, so we're coming back to that. But this is a 7-inch intercooler right here. I thought the purpose was to reduce weight around here, but apparently PLM has a different model in mind, but whatever. All right, so this massive intercooler is gonna go on the front of my car, and it is all black. You got the options of getting this in black or silver. It's up to you, whichever option you choose to do, but I chose the all black because I'm going more for that stealth and that all black kind of look on my car. I want you to not really be able to tell that there's something done with it, but when it starts pulling on you, you'll know there's something done to it. This is their 7-inch intercooler. It's a little different than VRSF, that thing. It's a little bit different than theirs, but I kind of like it. I wanted to try something a little different. Plus, I got this as a package deal. I got this bad boy, the downpipe, all for, oh, and my JB4 that came with this, but that's another story. We're gonna talk about that JB4. But all of that, this, the downpipe, the intercooler, and the JB4 that I have on my car, all of that for $9.95. Packaged together, shipped and everything. Shipped and packaged out and delivered to me to my house. Well, actually I had to go pick it up from FedEx, but the point being, check this bad boy out. This is sexy. This is sexy. I can't wait. They even got a little inscribing in here. I don't even know what that is, but because this is what I need to make sure I don't heat soak with all that power I'm gonna be pushing. Because I'm already running an E50 mix, which I probably shouldn't be running without all of this stuff. But the point being is I am running it because I live a life on the edge. So we're gonna shove that to the side for just a second as we come back to the box, see what else is in the box. All right, we got some pieces for the intercooler again, which is nice. I'm not sure if that one goes here. Okay, that's what I was wondering. I was like, geez, where's the rest of it? I know that can't be it. Anyway, so we got this little silicone coupling here. So these are gonna help just make everything a lot better and be a lot more reliable when you're pushing boosts. Next, this thing is supposed to be a part of my lower charge pipe. So now I won't blow it up anymore. How this goes, I don't know, but I will figure it out. No. Okay. All right, and in here are all of the clamps that are needed. So you got all the little band clamps. I don't know what those are, but band clamps, more clamps. And then the exhaust gaskets themselves that go from the catless downpipe onto the rest of the exhaust system out here. But yeah, so that's what I got as my package today. I am loving it. I can't wait to install it tomorrow. So stay tuned.